Welcome! If you're tired of getting constant follower request notifications on Instagram and want a little more peace and quiet, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off follower request notifications on Instagram so you can control what pops up on your phone and focus on what matters most to you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. This is often called the menu or the hamburger icon. Tap on it to open up a list of options. From here, you'll want to tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a menu where you can manage all sorts of account preferences and privacy controls. Next, scroll down until you see Notifications. Go ahead and tap on that. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll find several categories for different types of alerts. Look for the section labeled Following and Followers. This is where you can customize notifications related to people interacting with your account, including new followers and requests. Now, find the option that says Follower Requests. This is the setting that controls whether or not you get notified when someone asks to follow you. Tap on it, and you'll see a few different notification options. To turn off these notifications completely, simply select Off. And that's it. You've successfully disabled follower request notifications on Instagram. From now on, you won't get those alerts popping up every time someone wants to follow you. Of course, you can always revisit these settings if you change your mind or want to adjust your notifications further. Taking control of your notifications can make your Instagram experience much more enjoyable and less distracting. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on mastering your favorite apps.